How to open a bank account on Laurentian Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can open a bank account on Laurentian Bank. So to do that, first of all, open up the website or simply the Laurentian Bank app and simply tap on the option open an account. After that, you'll have to select an account type, so it can be checking, savings, student account, youth account, etc. Tap on the one which you'd like to get started with. After that, enter details such as your first name, last name, date of birth, email address, and phone number. Tap on the option continue. Then you'll have to verify your identity, so you'll have to put either your driver's license or your passport and simply do a facial verification. So tap on the option continue and complete these. After that, you'll have to provide additional information such as your employment status, your occupation, your annual income range, your source of fund. Once you've done all of those, tap on the option continue. Finally, review and accept their terms and conditions. So once you tap on the option continue, you can fund your account, but this is optional, so you can simply skip for now or do any of these and then tap on the option continue, and you will have successfully opened a bank account on Laurentian Bank. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.